Iron Talk is brought to you by Case IH.
With the success of the Case IH Steiger Quad Track and Magnum Road Track tractors, it's no secret why Case IH is the leader of the track. So it wasn't surprising when the competition started imitating us, because Case IH offered the first 5-axle design to give you more power to the ground, with less berming and compaction, all to help you be more productive. Still, we're flattered. In fact, if we weren't already red, we'd be blushing.
After planting into some of the coldest conditions we've ever planted into this year, it's almost hard to believe that now it's just too warm for human comfort. In today's Iron Talk, we'll talk about the cooling system in your tractor. Once it gets hot outside, we start to realize how spoiled we are with air-conditioned tractor cabs. While we're pretty lucky to have air conditioning, it doesn't do you much good if it's not working. Here are a few simple maintenance tips to help you keep cool this summer. First of all, here's what you should expect from the air conditioning unit in your tractor. In most tractors, the air conditioning system is capable of cooling up to a maximum of 30 degrees Fahrenheit off the air temperature. If a particular day has highs in the 80s, well, no problem. You can cool your cab down into the 50s if you'd like. However, those days when the air temperature rises into the upper 90s or even 100 degrees, you're going to need to consider your cooling system's capabilities before you call the service shop. Temperatures in the upper 70s may be all you can expect inside your cab those days. If your cooling system isn't even achieving that, then you can turn to these maintenance items that may improve performance. The first thing I'd look at is the air conditioner's condenser. Watch for bent or dirty fins. Depending on the make and model of the tractor that you're working on, inspecting the condenser may be a simple job. If cleaning is necessary, use an air compressor rather than a power washer. High-pressure water spray can easily bend fins, which in turn adds to more problems. Also, water can build up, leading to potential corrosion issues as well. There are obviously many more potential problems that could lead to poor cooling with your air conditioner. Just have realistic expectations that your air conditioner can only take off 20 or 30 degrees. And if it's not even doing that, check the things you can, like the condenser, and then talk to your local equipment dealer for more tips on keeping your tractor cab cool this summer. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.